Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the top 5 best vacuum sealers for food storage. Whether you're meal prepping, bulk buying, or just trying to keep your food fresher for longer, a good vacuum sealer can save you money and reduce food waste. But not all vacuum sealers are created equal. Some are compact and easy to use, while others offer powerful suction and extra features like built-in bag cutters and roll storage. So after extensive research and testing, I've ranked the top 5 vacuum sealers from weakest to best, based on their features, ease of use, and overall value. Make sure to watch until the end to see which one comes out on top. Let's get started. Coming in at number 5, we have the Anova Culinary. Now, Anova is well known for their sous vide machines, so it makes sense they'd create a vacuum sealer to match. And if you're only looking for something lightweight and compact, this could be a great option. The Anova sealer is simple to use. It has 3 modes: vacuum and seal, seal only, and pulse vacuum, which is great if you want more control over sealing delicate foods, like chips or crackers. It's one of the smallest vacuum sealers on this list, so if you have limited counter space, this one won't take up much room. But here's where it falls short. Unlike some higher-end models, this one doesn't have a built-in bag cutter or roll storage. Plus, it lacks an accessory port, which means you can't use it with vacuum canisters or wine stoppers. If you're meal prepping for the long haul, you might want something more versatile. So who's this for? If you need a basic, no-frills vacuum sealer that won't take up too much space, this is a solid pick. But if you want more features and convenience, keep watching because we've got better options coming up. At number 4, we have the FoodSaver PowerVac. Now, if you want something that saves both food and space, this could be a great option because it's designed to store vertically. That means it won't take up much valuable counter space when you're not using it. This sealer is easy to use, with simple controls and 2 sealing modes for dry and moist foods. The best part? It has a bag alignment feature, which helps reduce bag waste, something that many budget vacuum sealers don't offer. Plus, the removable drip tray makes cleanup super easy. But like the Anova, this one doesn't have a built-in bag cutter. It also lacks some of the premium features found on higher-end models. While it does include an accessory hose for sealing containers, it's not as powerful as some other FoodSaver models. If you're looking for an affordable, space-saving vacuum sealer that gets the job done, the PowerVac is a solid choice. But if you want a little more convenience, our next pick might be a better fit. Taking the number 3 spot is the NutriChef. If you're new to vacuum sealing, this one is a great beginner-friendly option because it's lightweight, compact, and incredibly easy to use. The NutriChef sealer supports both dry and moist sealing, making it great for everything from meats to snacks. It also comes with a starter kit, including bags and an accessory hose for external sealing. Compared to lower-ranked models, this one offers a bit more versatility while still being affordable and easy to store. However, it does have a few downsides. There's no built-in bag roll storage, so you'll need to store your bag separately. The accessory hose is a bit short, which can be inconvenient if you're sealing larger containers. And while it does a decent job at sealing, it's not as powerful as higher-end models. Overall, if you want a simple, budget-friendly vacuum sealer that works well for occasional use, the NutriChef is a solid mid-range pick. But if you want extra features like a built-in cutter and roll storage, stay tuned because the next 2 vacuum sealers have you covered. Coming in at number 2 is the Nesco, and this one is pretty unique because it comes with a built-in digital scale. If you like to portion out your food before sealing, this feature can be a real game changer. The Nesco is well built, with a sleek stainless steel design. It has 3 sealing modes and comes with a decent set of starter bags. Unlike lower ranked models, this one has a built-in power cord storage, which helps keep your kitchen organized. However, it's not perfect. The digital scale runs on batteries, so you'll need to replace them occasionally. Also, there's no built-in bag cutter, which is a bit of a letdown at this price point. If you want precision and portion control, the Nesco is an excellent choice. But if you're looking for the best all-around vacuum sealer, our number 1 pick has everything you need. At this point, we've covered the first 4 vacuum sealers, and now it's time to reveal our number 1 top pick. But before we do, let me know in the comments, which vacuum sealer are you currently using? Or if you don't have one yet, which one from this list looks the best so far? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Alright, let's move on to the best vacuum sealer of the bunch. And finally, taking the number 1 spot as the best vacuum sealer on our list is the FoodSaver. If you're looking for the best combination of features, ease of use, and performance, this is the one to beat. Unlike most budget vacuum sealers, this one has built-in roll storage and a cutter, so you can customize bag sizes without needing scissors. It also features one-handed operation and a dishwasher-safe drip tray, making cleanup super easy. compared to every other model on this list, it's the most user-friendly and convenient. Of course, no product is perfect. The only real downside is that it has a larger footprint, so it takes up more counter space than some of the smaller models we've covered. But if you have room for it, the convenience it offers is absolutely worth it. So who is this for? If you want a powerful, feature-packed vacuum sealer that makes food storage as easy as possible, the FoodSaver is hands down the best choice. It combines all the must-have features, making it a great option for both beginners and experienced users alike. So there you have it, the top 5 best vacuum sealers for food storage. Whether you want something compact and budget-friendly like the Anova Culinary, or an all-in-one powerhouse like the FoodSaver, there's an option here for everyone. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more honest product reviews like this one. And if you're ready to grab one of these vacuum sealers for yourself, I've linked the best deals in the description below, so be sure to check them out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.